free heat pumps at softball game, as you can see. Sorry about that. They're all heat pumps, but they're not running though. This is the new Goodman from about 2010. And these are like two carriers. These are two carriers that are like 19 or 20 years old. These two. Still want anyone to catch me. Sorry about that. 3 blades. 3 blades. Now and in the back it's 2. I checked the data sticker one time for that one that I just zoomed in at, and it's a 1.5 ton. So, you know, I think I can check the data sticker from here. Right there. Can't really see it though. I do know it's a heat pump though. Can't see in there right now, but yeah, it's nighttime, as you can see. The data sticker on this is right here. Okay, this is on the 36th week in 1994. Serial number is 3694E20571. Model is 38YC AD 18340. So that is a 1.5 ton. And it says listed section of heat pump. So yeah, it is a heat pump. That was that one that I just did. Okay, bye. There are 3 more on the other side, but I'll take another video of that.